Hello, hello. Welcome to your reading lesson for today, Monday, May 11th. If you haven't copied your agenda, you need to do that now. You will not know what pages you're reading because I don't mention them in the lesson. You need to find them on your agenda. So that should be written down. Today, guys, we are reading My Prairie Year, just the first part. So let's talk about the vocabulary first, and then we will go into our workbook page, which is 219 and 220. Okay? All right, so for vocabulary today, we have a choose the correct word. So I'm going to come over to our document. Here is the first one, and I have my highlighter tool. So I'm going to pick, let's see, I'm going to pick a pretty blue. I think that's a good one. All right, number one, the American flag billowed. I'm going to highlight that because that is, whoa, that's not what I wanted. Billowed from the back of the fire truck during the Memorial Day parade. So your vocab word is billowed. Does billowed mean hung down, waved, or fell? Now, if you said waved, you got it. Whoop. Whoop. There we go. Waved. Billowed, waved. How about number two? The canvas tent was so large that it took 4 men to set it up. Canvas is, why does it keep on doing that? Canvas, there we go. There's your vocab word. Is a canvas strong, coarse cloth, heavy, rough metal, or light, smooth wood? Now, if you said strong, coarse cloth, you are correct. Canvas. Number three, Sandy envied her best friend who was going on vacation to Hawaii. Envied. Envied. Does envied mean praised, followed, or was jealous of? Which one do you think? If you said was jealous of, you are correct. All right, number four, Craig helped his father hoist the canoe out of the lake. Whoa. Hoist is your vocab word. Oh, and really, we should have it. There we go. Does hoist mean keep, lift, or push? If you're hoisting something out of the lake, you're lifting it out of the lake. Whoops, there we go. All right, let's look at number five. The store was closed on the 4th of July because the proprietor wanted his employees to spend the day with their families. Oh, that's nice. Now, when it says proprietor, does that mean the renter, the owner, or the customer? Which one? Someone that has employees is going to be the owner of the store, proprietor. And then last one, number six, the tepid soup did not taste as good to the children as the steaming soup did. What does tepid mean? Warm, hot, or cold? Now, hot means the same as steaming, so we know that that's not right because it said the tepid soup did not taste as good as the steaming or hot soup. It could be warm, it could be cold. It is going to be warm, tepid. And that is it for your vocab. So again, just to go over it, just to review, billowed, canvas, envied, hoist, proprietor, and tepid. All right. All right, next you guys are going to do your reading. I'm not going to tell you the page numbers. I keep on wanting to, but I'm not going to. So you're going to do the reading, and then you're going to do your workbook page. So your workbook page is 219 and 220. Let's look at those. 219 and 220 looks like this. It says on the front, descriptive details, and it has a student that's thinking with their pencil, right? All right, let's look at your directions. For 1, 2, 3, and 4, if the statement is true of an autobiography, write A. If the statement is true of a biography, write B. If the statement is true of both, write A and B. All right, so remember, an autobiography is a story about a person's life written by that person. A A biography is a story about a person's life written by someone else, all right? So you need to decide which of these statements talks about an autobiography, which of them talks about a biography, or which of them talks about both, okay? All right. For 5 through 10, you're going to match the plain words with the author's descriptive words. So basically, they give you the plain words, and you need to match it with how the author used descriptive words to describe the same thing. So for example, number 5, White House. Let's see. White House would be, which one do you think? All of these are so exciting. White House, it looks like is going to be letter F, little white ship at sea, little white ship at sea. So you're going to decide which of the descriptions is talking about the plain words, okay, and match them up. I just gave you the first one. 5 is F. 5 is F. I should probably check just to make sure. I'm almost positive that 5 is F, but I gave you a wrong answer on The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe one time. So let's see. Yes, 5 is F. Got it. All right, for numbers 11, 12, and 13, you're going to write the answers. All right, read the question, write the answers. Those do not need to be in complete sentences. On the back, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, you're going to write the word that best completes each sentence. You're going to be using your vocabulary words in the red word bank up top above the ship. And then down below, you guys are going to complete that Venn diagram. You're going to compare the stories, Dandelions and My Prairie Year, by completing the Venn diagram. Write each letter in the appropriate section of the diagram. So you don't need to write the whole phrase. You just need to put the letter where they go. Is it talking about dandelions? Is it talking about My Prairie Year? Or is it talking about both? All right. All right, and that's it for your workbook page today. So right now, your responsibility is to be reading those reading pages for this first part of the story. Shouldn't be the full story, just this first part, and then completing that workbook page front and back, okay? Don't forget, you do have a reading log tonight, and I think that is it. I will catch you guys later. Goodbye.